5 Best Personal Loan Companies. Personal loans allow you to borrow money to consolidate debt, fund home improvements, pay for major events, and more. These unsecured loans enable you to get cash without pledging collateral. With numerous lenders to choose from, we reviewed dozens of lenders to find the best personal loans with transparent fees and competitive rates. We looked for lenders that cater to applicants with a variety of credit scores, too, so that you can borrow from a company that fits your finances. Finally, we chose personal loan lenders that are easy to work with and that have streamlined online processes that let you estimate how much you'll pay before you apply. Number 1. Lightstream. Best for excellent credit. If you have a high credit score, Lightstream may be an excellent choice for a personal loan. It charges relatively low rates and no origination fees. You can take as long as 84 months, 144 months for home improvement loans, to repay eligible loans of $25,000 or more, which may keep monthly payments low. However, the longer you stretch out a loan, the more interest you pay. If you have the cash flow, it may be best to pay down your debt quickly. Lightstream offers a unique loan experience guarantee, too. If you're not completely satisfied with your borrowing experience, Lightstream will give you $100. What we like. Low rates available for borrowers with excellent credit. Quick loan disbursal. No origination fees. What we don't like. Limited to borrowers with good or excellent credit. $5,000 loan minimum. Number 2. Rocket Loans. Best for fast funding. Rocket Loans offers quick funding for personal loans. If you're facing an unexpected expense like a broken water heater or a dog needing surgery, you don't have much time to wait for loan approval and disbursal. With Rocket Loans, you can get up to $25,000 on the same day you apply. Rocket Loans charges origination fees ranging from 1% to 6% of your loan, which the lender deducts from your balance before sending the loan proceeds to you. For example, let's say you borrow $10,000 to pay for home improvements. With a 6% origination fee, you'd owe $600. Rocket Loans would deduct that fee from the $10,000 you borrowed, so you'd actually receive $9,400 in your account. You can potentially pay high interest rates with Rocket Loans too. Depending on your credit score, income, and other criteria, the rate could be as low as 7.16% when you sign up for auto pay, or as high as 29.99%. What we like. Potential for same-day funding. Instant decision in some cases. Loans for as little as $2,000. What we don't like. Potentially high interest costs. Only 3 or 5 year repayment terms. Number 3. Upstart. Best for fair credit. Not everyone has excellent credit. With Upstart, you may be able to qualify for a loan with a credit score as low as 600. That score would put you in the fair range of a FICO score. So for borrowers struggling to find a loan, Upstart might be a smart solution. The company allows you to borrow between $1,000 to $50,000 with repayment terms of 3 or 5 years, though borrowing minimums vary by state. Upstart charges an origination fee for some borrowers, and you might pay as much as 8% of your funding amount. Typical rates range from 8.27% to 35.99% APR. What we like. Minimum credit score of 600 recommended. Flexible loan amounts, depending on where you live. Quick loan disbursal. What we don't like. Only 2 options for repayment terms. Potentially high origination and interest charges. Not available everywhere. Number 4. Sophie. Best with unemployment protection. Sophie offers fixed and variable rate personal loans from $5,000 to $100,000. Loan terms can be up to 7 years, and Sophie offers you a lower APR. If you set up automatic payments, rates range from 5.99% to 20.69% with automatic payment. However, Sophie can take, relatively, time to pay off your loan. While other lenders offer same-day or overnight financing, Sophie typically disburses funds within a few days. Sophie personal loans have a unique advantage: unemployment protection. If you lose your job through no fault of your own, you can apply for loan forgiveness. If approved, you can postpone payments in 3-month increments, up to a total of 12 months. While interest continues to accrue on the loan during that period, having the ability to postpone payments can give you the time you need to recover. What we like. No origination fees. Unemployment protection. Variable and fixed rate options. What we don't like. $5,000 loan minimum. potentially slower funding than other lenders. Number 5. Lending Club, best for small loans. Some lenders have fairly high minimums, requiring you to borrow several $1,000s. If you need a smaller amount, it may be difficult to find a lender willing to work with you, and you may feel like you have to borrow extra just to get the cash you need. With Lending Club, you can borrow as little as $1,000 to pay for almost anything you want: car repairs, debt consolidation, and more. If you have less than perfect credit and need to shop among lenders, Lending Club may be worth a look. However, it's important to know that Lending Club does not currently offer loans to residents of Iowa or U.S. territories. Lending Club charges an origination fee that ranges from 2% to 6% of your loan amount. That fee comes out of the total loan balance and reduces the amount that goes into your bank account, so be sure to borrow enough to cover the fee and still have enough for whatever you need the loan for. Rates range from 8.05% to 35.89% APR. What we like: loan amount as low as $1,000. Offers natural disaster support. What we don't like: potentially high interest rate. Funding may take 4 or more days.